Hey there, this is Todd at BizLadder. In this short video, we're going to talk about how to duplicate pages, how to create more interior pages on your website. This is a simple shortcut. It's going to save you a lot of time in creating these pages. The idea here is templates, right? Create a design, a look, a feel, a structure that will work across your site. This isn't going to talk about dynamic pages in Wix. That gets a little more technical, a little more complicated, and it's really useful for when you have dozens or hundreds or more pages. This is just about building out the site initially or adding pages occasionally as your business evolves. So I'm on a page here, Graded Middlemen Service. We have a handful of different pages that are going to represent this content. Of course, before you kind of start on this little shortcut, make sure this page looks how you want it. So if you want images, if you want some product galleries from your store in here, go ahead and add those in first. And really you can apply this concept across even in this process, in this step of duplicating content and adding content. But the theory here anyway is we're copying and pasting. We're not recreating from scratch every time. Like I said, pretty simple. So what you're going to do is, let's assume this page has everything I want. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to duplicate. Really important when you duplicate, change the name, right? But more than that, even go change the URL slug. Change your page title, change your page description. This is what's going to show up in Google when somebody searches for it, like the title and the description. So, well, in all likelihood, this is what's going to show up. We won't get into the SEO details, but make sure you change this. All right. Make sure you have permission set how you want it. Page info. Is it hidden from the menu? Is it in the menu? Advanced SEO. You probably won't have to worry about that. Make sure it's showing in search results if you want it to show. Okay. So we've got it created. Let's say I want that first. You can see it's hidden underneath this menu. Look up here, right? When I drag and drop, boom, they switch up here. Really simple. So I'm in sports breaks. Okay, now I've got to come in here and change my title. Let's say this was a really long title. Uh-oh, went to 2 rows, 3 rows. So then I might have to just drag, drop, click, center, and there we go. Now, let's get rid of all that. So you might have to do a little editing, right? But the idea is duplicate, don't recreate, okay? And then I'm going to drop in some text here that I pulled off another document. And there you go. Again, you can add in other elements here. Same concept holds, right? Let's say I'm on my home page and I want this section on that page. I can copy it. I can go back to this page and I can paste it. And there we go. I've got this section in. I can now move it around, put it where I want it. All right. Same idea. Duplicate, don't recreate. Let's get rid of that. And then as always, Wix has an autosave. Sometimes it doesn't work. The one time it doesn't work, you will lose everything and you'll get frustrated. So save after you're done. Publish it if you want. Don't if you don't. And that's it. That's how you save some time creating interior pages on your website. Any questions, reach out to Todd at BizLadder, 302-307-3247. Call or text that number, 302-307-3247.